on. I've got a lighting product I'd like to show you today. Brand new lighting product from Chauvet. We noticed this one at BPM and we thought, wow, that looks stunning. So we bought some. Basically what it is it's a bar with 5 little moving beams. They only tilt, they don't pan either way, but the programming on these and the bright looks absolutely stunning. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to mount it up in here and we're going to show you working with smoke and some music on and things like that. But a couple of little things we just need to point out here now is we have noticed there's a new type of menu on there. And it isn't your normal LED menu, it's got a menu that's like an LCD screen. It's really, really nice. What we'll do is we'll take the camera off the stand and we'll flick through that and let you have a look. You can link up to 4 of these, master and slave, with no need for any DMX desk or any DMX control. So you can master and slave these up to 4 units, which would give you 20 of these little beam effects. And when we were at BPM this year, we saw it when it was linked together and it just looked absolutely stunning. Programming is really, really good. It's very tight on the beam, so it is a proper beam effect. And it will throw quite away. I'm just going to read off some of the bits and bobs on here. It's RGBW. You can link up to 4 fixtures, like I said. There's lots and lots of programs in here. When we show you the menu, you'll see how many programs there is. There's DMX channels 14 or 34. It's got power linking, so it's power in and out. And we've got DMX in and out on 3-pin DMX. We have got a light source, 5 LEDs, quad coloured, 12 watt. We've got a beam angle, like I said, it's very tight, 5 degrees. The whole unit weighs 7.8 kilos. Very, very well built, like a lot of the Chauvet stuff, and most of the things that we see in these days. You know, it's the quality of the stuff that we're getting at the prices that they are now is very, very good, and this is no exception. This will come with 2 years warranty, because all the Chauvet stuff, as long as it's DMX, comes with a 2-year warranty. The size of this unit across there, so length, it's 712 millimeters. By 113 millimeters by 243 millimeters. Also, as an optional extra, and unfortunately I haven't got one here, you can buy a little infrared remote control, which I'm sure will let you flick through the different programs, black it out, and all the usual suspects. So what we're going to do first, and the tilt range is 90 degrees, 180 degrees to 270 degrees. So it does quite a lot. And when you see this with a bit of smoke on it, it looks really, really good. So what we're going to do in the next bit of this video is we're just going to do a bit of a close-up of the menu so you can see these new menus. And do you know what? I really, really like the new menu, and I hope this is the sign of things to come on some of the lighting effects that we sell. So we'll just take the camera off the stand and we'll let you have a look at the menu. Right then, so forgive my finger work here, and we're probably going to get to have a look at my big fat fingers. Right. And the camera's probably going to be a bit wobbly, but just this menu here, right? It's not what we're used to seeing. Now, forgive me, that's gone out of focus as well, so I just want you to have a quick look at this on how we can set it up. Now, you know, we've not seen any lights that run like this, so we can stick it into all the different modes. You stick it in the IR mode. There's DMX mode, auto mode, sound mode, slave mode. Coming back out of there, we've got address, that is system info, we've got setup, so you can change all the different angles and everything, master set, tilt reverse, display. See if I can just focus that a little bit. I don't know how that's going to come out in the camera very well, but you'll certainly get the idea. We're not seeing many menus like that. We can go back to the menu, and if we go back to the run mode, press enter. Now we might get dazzled here with some lights, because I'll just put it into auto, and immediately it's come back to life. and hence we've gone all out of focus and everything. So I just wanted you to have a look at that menu. I think it was a little bit different to what we're used to seeing. There we are, back in focus. What we're going to do next is we're going to put it up on the rig, put some smoke on, put some music on, and let you have a look. One thing I'd noticed, it has got a lot of show modes. Just quickly going back to that menu, let's see if I can find out. So we've got enter, back to the menu. Again, I think we've lost focus there, and I just wanted to see it, tell you how many. Sorry about my camera work here. So if we go back to there, and we go run mode, enter, auto, we've got up to 16 shows. And count down them. Now we've got it set in show 1. From what I can see in show 1, it seems to do a little bit of everything, and that's the show we're going to put it in, but up to 16 different shows. So there we go, that is the Intimidator with IRC. Let's put it on the rig and let's have a look at it. RC. Did a couple of different things there. We put it up on the rig, but then I had this idea that that would look really smart on a speaker stand. So I'm actually going to take the camera off and show you exactly how we've attached that to that stand, using the brackets and a couple of O clamps. And I thought that was an interesting way of showing the light as well. I think it worked really, really well. So we've just got that attached to a stand, speaker stand. There's a speaker pole because we've got a bass bin and top situation going on here. But it certainly didn't shake or move the stand. I think it would go on a speaker stand very, very well with some O clamps, which do not come with it, but we can help you with some O clamps, not a problem. So there we are. I really, really like that. That's the Intimidator Wave from Chauvet. To make it phase 1. Oh, click the link in the description to this video and it'll take you through to our website. Cheers.